for wild rice casserole. This thing is so good and so easy to make. You're not gonna believe how easy it is, especially if you have a rice cooker. I have a rice cooker. I enjoy using it. I know you can do it in the Instant Pot as well, but I didn't try that method and I haven't attempted that yet. So if someone wants to comment below how they did it or how to make that happen, that would be great. But for me, I just used a rice cooker on the brown rice setting and it turned out perfectly. So here's how to do it. I hope you enjoy.